Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, you will learn how you can use CouponBet to add a booking. So CouponBet is a very easy tool to organize and structure your travel agency. So let me show you how you can do it by adding a booking and what will happen then. So first of all, once you log in, you go to your dashboard, or you are in your dashboard panel. So you can see here, this is the dashboard. What we need to do is we need to go to our booking manager. So we click on the booking manager, and on the booking manager you can see all the customers that are traveling right now, and you also can see who will be traveling very soon. So the booking manager filters bookings by travel date or by booking date. And as you can see, if you see here all the bookings by travel date, you can see who is traveling very soon, who's traveling, and you can see here more, all kind of things. So in this case, we have a new customer, and this customer is going to book from us a cruise package. So how do we add a cruise package to our booking system? Well, very simple. First of all, you click here on new booking, and on the add new booking you can put in the information. So in this case, the customer is a private customer, so it's not a company, so no need to put this. You can skip this, and we can add here the first name. So our customer is called Julia Cruz, and we have to put in here also her email. So this is her email, julia.cruz@rocketmail.com. Please note that this person does not exist. It's a fictional person. Alright, so now you have to put in the phone number, and I'm just going to add a phone number quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. So we have here our phone number, and once we did that, we have to put in here our travel details. So what is the travel details? In this case, the customer, Miss Julia, booked a cruise package. So what we can do here is we can click here, and we can search for the category that is related to this. In this case, the customer booked only a cruise package, but there's an option for cruise with transfer in case the cruise starts, for example, in Singapore, and the customer will book also a plane ticket to Singapore. But now the customer will take the cruise, it's cruise only, and the destination is Manila. You can see here, Manila, Taipei, Osaka. That's exactly the one we want to have. Alright. And we can select here our onward travel date, which is on 23 of April. And Miss Julia will stay here till the 30th of April for 1 week. So a total of 7 days. And it is 2 people. So 2 adults. Once you put in this, you have to put in the final payment details. So question number 1, how did Miss Julia paid? You can have here all the options here. So Miss Julia paid now by bank, online deposit, and the total price is 75,000 pesos. I can put in here the cruise operator. We can say here one of the famous one, Dream Cruise, and the total price, that is 67,000. All right. Insurance, if necessary, and documentation necessary. So I'll show you later on here. This can be important in case you have a country with where cruise visa is required. So that's really it. And you can put in here a special request. So for example, the customer wants to have a cabin at the rear. So we say cabin at the rear of the cruise ship. Alright, so once we did that, you can click here on save, and it will save the booking. So now the booking has been saved, and let's search for our booking. So Miss Julia, we have to look for Miss Julia and Miss Julia Cruise. from 23 to 30 April. This is the cruise you can see here. And you can see here all the information. Smart number. This is the destination for 2 packs. If you click on this, you can see here all the information again, and you can see here the special request. Besides that, you also see here if the customer paid, how much is the cruise package, and what is your own markup. So that's very nice. It will calculate all automatically. So what I want to show you more is this. So if you go to Tools, you have here an option, and we scroll down. We have here an option for visa info, and the visa info shows you all the visa for tourist visa, but also for cruise visa. So if that would be necessary, so we can scroll down here, you can see visa free, visa free. Some countries will require you to have a cruise visa, but most of them, it is visa free. So you can see here there's a lot of things. So, but if you would search it, for example, for Taipei or Taiwan, see if there's any information. In this case, there's no information, so we cannot validate 100%. However, usually if there's no information here, it can be visa free, but always check with your operator, since they will state as well if a visa is required. So this is how you can use CouponBet to organize and structure your travel agency. So are you interested as well to get this? Well, no problem. Let me show you exactly how. First of all, what you have to do is just go to couponbet.com. Once you're here on couponbet.com, click here on Sign Up Now. Once you click on Sign Up Now, you can put in here the details. First of all, put in your travel agency name. Once you have that, your username, make sure you remember your username. This is essential for logging in. Then you can put in your email address. Make sure it's an original existing email address, because you will get an email, a confirmation email from us, and you need to click on that email, the link to confirm your account. Once you did that, enter your password and so once you put in your email, enter your password, confirm it, fill up the entire form, click on register now. If you click register now, you get instantly an email in your inbox. Check for that email, search for that email from couponbet.com. Click on the confirmation link to confirm your account, and you're ready to go. If you cannot find your email, or if you cannot find our email, check your spam folder, it might went in there. So this is really how to get started, and it's very easy. So what are you waiting for? Organize your travel agency with CouponBet. Register right away.